Next one, why we are discussing LCM and HCF related problems? It has been observed in the last year that fractions and decimals, LCM and HCF, and there were good arithmetic related questions, algebra related questions. I might not complete I am sure you might have gone through a comprehensive college training program where every shortcut has been discussed. If it is not discussed, this is like a last minute enhancing score approaches. HCF of 6, 12 and 18. Listen carefully, sir. Some fantastic approaches which we'll discuss. I will write LCM here. I will write HCF here. This single slide will help you to understand how to find LCM and HCF. Listen carefully, sir. LCM of 4, 8, 16. LCM of 4, 8, 16. HCF of 4, 8, 16. Another example. LCM of 20, 30. HCF of 20, 30. 20, 30. LCM of 8 and 9. HCF of 8 and 9. LCM of 12, 15. 12, 15, or I will take 15, 25. 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25. Very important slide, sir. Very important slide. You will understand the importance, right? Difference between LCM and HCF. You will find the difference between LCM and HCF. 4 problems on LCM, 4 problems on HCF. Same numerical values. LCM. M stands for multiple here. Multiple means largest number. Multiple means largest number. F stands for factor. F stands for factor. That means smallest number. That means smallest number. That means LCM, we have to keep an eye on the largest value. In HCF, we have to keep an eye on the smallest value. What is the multiple of 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on? So, take the largest number. Largest number is 16. Check whether 16 is divided by every other number. 16 is 4 into 4. 16 is 8 into 2. Answer is 16. Answer is 16. If the largest number is divisible by every other number, then the largest number is the LCM. If the largest number is divisible or largest number is a multiple of every other number, the largest number gets divided by every other number, then it is LCM. HCF, smallest one. So take the smallest one. If the smallest number divides every other number, please remember it is divides. A factor divides. It is divided by. That is the reason you will find a lot of questions where with this wording, divided by. LCM, multiple means largest number. Largest number should be divisible by every other number. HCF is smallest. Smallest should divide every other number. 8 will get, 4 will divide 8. 4 will divide 16. This is 4. I hope the idea it is clear. This is 4. Difference between LCM and HCF. If the largest number is not divisible by other number, take the multiple of that number, 60. 60 is divisible by 20. Write down 60. Largest number, write largest number, right? Largest number should be divisible by every other number. If the largest number is not divisible by every other number, right? Take the multiple because it is LCM. 30 is not divisible by 20. 32s are 60. 60 is a multiple of 20. Write down 60. HCF of 20 and 30. Smallest number. Does 20 divide 30? No. Take the factors of 20. Here we are going to the multiples of the largest. Here we will go to the factors. 20 factor is 10. Does 30 gets 10 divides 30? Yes. I hope you are understanding. In HCF, I will go to the factors of the smallest. In LCM, I will go to the multiple of the largest. In LCM, I will, if the largest number is not divisible by every other number, go to the multiple of the largest. Here, go to the factors of the largest. 8 and 9, they are consecutive numbers. LCM of consecutive numbers is their product. Please write down, sir. LCM of consecutive numbers, it is the product. HCF of consecutive numbers, it is 1. All these points should be there in your notebook. LCM of consecutive numbers, LCM of consecutive numbers, it is the product. LCM of consecutive numbers, it is the product. HCF of consecutive numbers, it is always 1. Consecutive numbers, it is always 1. LCM of consecutive numbers, it is the product. HCF of consecutive numbers, it is 1. I hope you are understanding. LCM means multiple related. HCF means factor related. Factors of 6 will be less than 6. Go to the lowest of the lowest number, smallest number and its factors, largest number and its multiples. I hope it is clear, these three. Kindly ask me in case if you got any doubt. Any non-academic discussion when there is a serious studies going on, right? The only thing which my team will do it is right click on that one and remove you permanently, ban you permanently from Anil Nair classes channel. You cannot watch any of the live classes in the future. Any doubts, kindly ask me. Any doubts, kindly ask me. Is this clear to you? One more model is there, that also we will discuss. Listen carefully. LCM of 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25. Listen carefully, sir. This fourth example, LCM of 15, 25. If you understand this example, HCF also you can use an elimination approach. LCM of 15, 25. 25, is it divisible by 15? No. Take the next number, 50. Is 50 divisible by 15? No. Take the next number, 75. Is 75 divisible by 15? Yes. LCM of 15, 25, it is 75. LCM of 15, 25. HCF, does 15 divide 25? No. Factor of 15, 5. Does 5 divide 25? Yes. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Largest number multiples I am taking. Smallest number factors I am taking. Largest number multiples I am taking. Smallest number factors I am taking. Smallest number factors I am taking. I hope the idea it is clear. Now see here. One important point. LCM of 9, 10. 9, 10. Now if you see here, 9 and 10 are consecutive numbers. LCM is their product, 90. HCF of 9, 10. Consecutive numbers, it is 1. HCF of consecutive numbers, it is 1. Now, very, very important key point. Please listen carefully. Listen carefully. Whenever you are doing an LCM, if one number is divisible by 5, if one number is divisible by 5, answer will also be divisible by 5. Again I am repeating, if one number is divisible by 5, answer will also be divisible by 5. One number is enough for the answer option. But in HCF, see this example. If answer is divisible by 5, all the numbers should be divisible by 5. In an HCF, if the answer is divisible by a number, every number which is an input should also be divisible by that number. Answer is divisible by 5. Every number should be divisible by 5. But in LCM, not all the numbers not required. If one number is divisible by 5, answer will be divisible by 5. Here it is at least 1. Here it is at least 1. Here it is all. Here it is all. Here it is all. I hope this concept is clear. HCF of 20, 30. Sahana, for you. HCF of 20, 30. HCF means go to the smallest number. Smallest number is 20. Is 20 dividing 30? No. 21s are 20, 22s are 40. Take the factor of 20. Sahana, 10. Is 30 divisible by 10? Yes. So answer is 10. Answer is 10. LCM. If one number is divisible by 5 or K, at least one number should be divisible by K. But in HCF, if answer is divisible by K, all of them are divisible by K. Very simple way to understand the difference between LCM and HCF. If you do not understand in the fundamental way, if you keep on solving 100 problems, it's of no use. LCM, multiple means largest. Take the largest number. Largest number, if the largest number is not getting divided by, take the multiples of the largest. HCF, factor means smallest. Take the smallest number. Take the smallest number. Smallest number should divide every other number. If it is not dividing, take the factor of the smallest. Everybody kindly reply if the concept is clear. If the concept is clear, kindly reply. I would expect everybody to at least acknowledge if it is clear. Please remember, it's a digital relationship. The only way I will come to know whether you have understood or not, through your comments. And whenever you are listening to this class, you got a DXC coming in the next 48 hours. Still, if you are so casual, if you know all these concepts, it's well, good and fine. But if you do not know, and you go with a confidence and somewhere you do not clear it, right? It is like Sachin Tendulkar says so beautifully. One of the things which I admire the most in Sachin Tendulkar is, in his entire 20 plus years of cricketing experience, he is late to the net practice by maximum 9 minutes, and that too on 3 occasions. One occasion when his father passed away during the World Cup, next occasion when Anjali was blessed with a child, and the third occasion when he was suffering from an 103 degrees fever. That is the kind of sincerity shown by the world's best cricketer who ruled cricket for a period of more than 15 years. When Sachin gets out and there are millions of people who used to switch off the phone, entire a country of countries, 100 crores of population used to be, at that time, if I take some 15-18 years before, assume the population is 70 CR. We all used to be say that India is Sachin Tendulkar in cricket. India, early 1980s, it was India is Indira. People used to crack a joke, remove R, you will find India. Remove for, they used to say, suppose if I go to some countries, madas, it is written in some Hindi literature books that there will be one guy who will come and become a dictator, and the name will be madas. Madas. If I reverse it, it is the Saddam. So these are all some of the very interesting intellectual insights. There is a very beautiful book. The name of the book is Fooled by Randomness. Fooled by Randomness. Why certain section of people, in spite of not so talented, so less marks, still will go ahead and become very successful in life. The author name is Nassim Taleb. It's a very interesting book. Not right now, whenever you get time, please read it. Fooled by Randomness. Now let us get into the question. Yes, I am getting lot of replies. Thank you for acknowledging, sir. Now let us get into it. HCF of 6, 12 and 18. HCF means we will take the smallest number. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So answer is 6. Answer is 6. Smallest number should divide every other number. Smallest number should divide every other number. Concepts also I am discussing. HCF of 8, 20, 28, 44. Smallest number should divide every other number. 8 will not divide 20. Take the factor 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 4 11s are 44. Answer is 4. HCF means take the smallest number in the given series. Smallest number or the factors of smallest number. Are the factors of smallest number. Smallest number are the factors of smallest number. This is the thumb rule to find the HCF. This is the thumb rule to find the HCF. 24, 60, 48, 408. 24 will not divide. Factor of 24, 12. 12 5s are, 12 4s are, 12 3s are 36. Yes. Answer is 12. Such an easy concept. LCM means largest number or the multiples of largest number. Largest number or the multiples of largest number. Multiples of largest number. HCF means smallest number are the factors of smallest number. People don't teach the basics, and most of the students, if you understand the basics, if your foundation is strong, you can actually clear it in a very smarter way. This is one thing. 30, 42, 135. 30 will not divide 42. 15. What are the factors of 30? 15. 15 will not divide 42. 5. 5 will not divide 42. Any number divisible by 5, unit digit will be 0 or 5. 3. Yes. 42, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 135 also it is divisible. Answer, it is 3. Answer, it is 3. Please call me tomorrow. Yes, I am busy. Right. 1 minute, sir. 3. I hope the concept is clear. 24. I think the same question you can solve this question. 24, 60, 80, 408. 12. Answer will be 12. Very easy question. Sir, like you eliminated answer option, these also you can give it a try. These also. 120, 150, 135. Now a smart question might ask me, there is a reason why I kept this question. There is a reason. HCF of 108, 288 and 360. Sir, should I take all the factors of 108 here, sir? Don't you think it will be time consuming? Definitely yes. Write down one more concept. Anything which is time taking, I am not interested in teaching. Concept. Right? Answer will be a factor of largest value minus smallest value. HCF can also be determined by the minimum difference method. This is the most popular method taken from the NCERT textbook. minimum difference method. Minimum difference method. Minimum difference method. What is the minimum difference? Here I have to take the factors of 108. Now minimum difference. 108 to 88. It is 180. 288 360. It is 72. 108 360. It is 252. Answer will be a factor of 72. Answer will be a factor of 72. Answer will be a factor of 72. What you do is, still you can condense this. Take the minimum difference. Take the minimum difference. Take the minimum difference. 108 to 88. It is 180. 288 360. 72. 108 through 60. 252. Minimum difference is 72. Answer will be a factor of 72. 72 not working. Next is 36. 36 3s are. 36 8s are. 36 10s are. Answer is 36. Answer is 36. 108, 288, 360. Take the minimum difference method. If I go to the smallest, it might be little time consuming. If you get it, that's well good and fine. But anything that you are solving, you should only solve, sir, how should I solve maximum questions in minimum time? Maximum questions in minimum time. This should be your agenda. Maximum questions in minimum time. Maximum questions in minimum time. Maximum questions in minimum time. I hope the idea it is clear.